If you're looking for steps that can handle your adventures plus everyday life, check out these from Go Rhino. The Dominator D1s are part of Go Rhino's Dominator Extreme series, which is all about the modular approach plus vehicle-specific brackets. Once you have the specific brackets for your vehicle, you can use any of the Dominator style steps. The D1s are awesome because they are a full-length drop-down step. This makes for an easy access no matter where you step. You'll also notice the Go Rhino Hex Punch texture, offering incredible step surface and grip. The full-length slider bottom also keeps vehicle clearance for off-roading adventures. The Dominator D1s are also great because they offer rocker panel protection from trail obstacles and road debris. These steps work awesome with lifts plus bigger wheels and tires, and they're topped with a black textured powder coat finish. The Go Rhino Dominator D1 steps are backed by a 5-year warranty.